If you're small on space, but you want big impact, plant dahlias in containers. Let's dig in. First, choose an appropriately sized pot with drainage holes for the dahlia that you're going to be growing. Good rule of thumb is you want the pot to be about 1/3 of the overall height of your plant. Next, you want to choose a high quality container soil mix. Once you've got your container filled with soil, it's time to add bulb food. So you're simply going to make about a 4-inch deep well in the middle of your pot and add about a handful of your bulb food. Now for the fun part, let's plant our dahlia tubers. So we selected here the very popular Cafe au lait, which is a fairly tall variety, so that's why we chose this fairly large pot. So you just want to make sure that your dahlia has at least one viable eye, and we're lucky we have 2 nice new growth plants right here, which are the eyes. So we're going to have those pointing up, and we're going to place those in the bottom of our well. And then we're simply just going to bring the soil and cover it up. Easy peasy. We recommend adding a stake to some of those larger or dinner plate style varieties because they need the extra support to hold up those large, beautiful flowers. So simply add a stake into it now, or you can wait till it grows a little bit and secure it with a nice soft rubber twist tie. As your dahlia plant starts to grow, you want to pinch it. So this is going to help give you more flowers and a bushier plant. So you're going to wait till it's about 8 inches tall, and you're going to go in and find a spot where there's 2 double leaves, right about like something like that, and you're going to pinch it out right there. Before we go, we want to make sure your dahlias get at least 6 hours of sun and they have good air circulation. You also want to start fertilizing in July, August, probably once a week or every 2 weeks with SuperBloom. So this is going to help give you great flowers from now all the way to hard frost.